Hello everyone, so today I'm staying at the Courtyard by Marriott in Wolfsburg. I've been given room 212 on the second floor. So here's the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have light switches, slot to insert the key card for the room's power. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, a mirror. Hello. And right here we have the cupboard with an ironing board, iron, hangers to hang your clothes on, storage areas with shelves, and a hairdryer. Right here, your tea and coffee making stuff with the kettle, cups, and ice bucket. In-room safe, fridge, which is apparently empty, so you can fill up with snacks and drinks from the shop below. Oh, and the tea and coffee is in here. Right in here we have the bathroom. Huge mirror, the sink, toilet, and shower area. Glass to see into the bedroom. Now, if you have someone else in the room and you want some privacy and you want to cover up the glass, there is always a curtain. Yeah, here you have a reading light, bedside light, down below, light switch and a power outlet, bedside table with a drawer. The bed itself looks quite comfortable. And on the other side, you have another reading light, another bedside light, another light switch, another plug, another bedside table with a drawer, but you also have writing materials, in-room telephone, and a clock. But back to this area, you have a place to put your luggage with a drawer below, climate control panel, hooks to hang your coat or jacket on, or whatever it is, flat screen LG TV with the desk below, chair, a stool, and right there a couple of USB ports and a couple of power outlets. Some water, another light, another mirror, and the view that I get out of the window is of the lake just behind the hotel, which is actually quite a nice view. You have some garden space below as well, and you can see the outside area of the hotel's restaurant right there. If the light is not on, you can see it better, but it's right there. But yeah, it is quite a nice view. So that's it for the room tour of room 212 at the Courtyard by Marriott in Wolfsburg. Thanks for watching and goodbye.